Hello learners, this is Richa again. Now welcome back to Lighthouse Alchemy ERP Academy and to module 4 of Lighthouse ERP learning series. In the last module, we have covered as how to getting started with the system, like how to log in, navigate your dashboard, manage user roles and personalizing your workspace. Now it's time to go deeper. Module 4 is all about learning the core and add-on modules of Lighthouse ERP process by process. We won't just tell you how it works, but we will walk you through at how it actually works in the real business scenarios. You will learn how each module is designed for, how it supports your daily operations, and how it connects with other parts of ERP system. Now, whether it's finance, inventory, sales, production, quality, we will walk you through each module in a simpler, beginner-friendly way using simple example, easy workflows, and practical demonstration. From creating a purchase indent to approving transactions to running quality checks, you will learn how these processes really happens inside Lighthouse. By the end of each module, you will understand that how each part of the system connects and fits together to make business more efficient and easier to manage. So let's get started with module 4 and begin exploring how each process in Lighthouse ERP brings clarity to your daily work. Okay, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe Lighthouse Alchemy. And if there is a specific process you would like us to cover, feel free to drop your comments in the comment section below. Bye bye guys.